Wajīhullāh Sandwīpī MWLNWGLLH Sandwip tilde Wajīhullāh Sandwīpī was an Islamic public speaker and muhaddith of Bengal. He is noted as the first person from Sandwip to study in Darul Uloom Deoband in Saharanpur district, India. Early life and education. Wajīhullāh was born into a Bengali Muslim family from the island of Sandwip in undivided Noakhali district, modern-day Bangladesh. After completing his education in his home country in institutions like Hajiganj Boro Masjid, he enrolled at the Darul Uloom Deoband, an Islamic university from which the Deobandi movement emerged from. He studied hadith under Ustad Muhammad Hassan Deobandi, who was the first student of the university when it first opened. One of Wajihullah's classmates was Anwar Shah Kashmiri. It is narrated that when he was a student, these two classmates used to compete to lose each other in merit. If Kashmiri was first in one test, Wajīhullāh would be first in the other test. Finally, a Sahih Bukhari Sharif memorization competition was organized to test the talents of the two classmates. In this, Wajīhullāh memorized a complete para in one night while Kashmiri did some less. His extremely fast talent in memorizing earned him the Urdu nickname of Jin Ka Baka Urdu, JNWKHBCHH, lit. Son of a genie. Career. After returning to Bengal, he began teaching at the Noakhali Ahmadiyya Madrasa unrelated to the Ahmadiyya movement for a short while before dedicating the rest of his life to his Nasiha public lectures. But Wajīhullāh did not return to the country and preach the education he gained in Deoband. He was supposedly united with the superstitions and innovations prevalent in the society such as Maulid. Not only that, he emerged as a force to be reckoned with. At that time, Mardi Mujahid Kabir Haq was a strong opponent of all innovations and superstitions. He, along with the Al-Haq group, engaged in a munazara formal debate with Wajīhullāh. The Al-Haq won the debate, but Wajīhullāh did not give up his opinion and supposedly spent his whole life like this. When Wajīhullah's wife died, Kabir Haq attended the funeral. Wajīhullāh called out Kabir Haq's name to lead the janazah prayer. His announcement caused a stir in the presence of numerous scholars in favor of Maulid. A rumor began among the devotees that Wajīhullāh is a man who has been arguing with himself all his life. Wajīhullāh then said his famous quote, Namio HK Kajio HK, Ta Nr Nam Alama KH Viral HK Namo Haq Kajio Haq Tar Nam, Alama Kabir Haq. In reaction, the heads of the pro-Maulid scholars bowed down in sadness on that day due to such an announcement of Sandwipis, and their heads have not been able to stand up till today. Death and legacy. Wajīhullāh died around 1920 CE. He continues to be remembered today as one of the first educated Muslims of the island. A biography writing competition was held in November 2017, with one of the choices being Wajīhullāh Sandwīpī user. References ==